If you've ever scrolled through Instagram and wondered how people create such clean, eye-catching posts, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create beautiful, professional-looking Instagram posts using Canva in 2025. No design experience needed. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to craft posts that stand out, tell your story, and make your profile look instantly more polished. Let's dive straight in. Start by heading over to Canva's website. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, it only takes a moment to sign up and it's completely free. Once you're inside Canva's dashboard, look toward the top of the screen and find the search bar. This is where the magic begins. Type Instagram posts into the search bar and hit enter. Canva will immediately pull up a huge library of templates specifically sized and optimized for Instagram. These templates take out the guesswork. You don't have to worry about dimensions, spacing, or formatting because Canva handles all of that for you. All you need to do is choose a design that fits your style or message. As you scroll through the options, you'll see everything from minimal and modern layouts to bold and colorful designs. Some templates have a small crown icon beside them. Those are premium. Since we're focusing on free designs today, go ahead and choose one without the crown. Take a moment here and really explore. Choosing the right foundation makes customizing your post much easier and ensures your final design matches the mood you're aiming for. Once you've found a template that speaks to you, click on it. You'll see a button labeled Customize this template. Go ahead and click that, and Canva will open the design workspace. This is where your creativity comes to life. Inside the editor, everything on your template is customizable. You can adjust the text, change the fonts, swap in your own photos, update the colors, and rearrange elements however you'd like. Think of this stage as shaping your message. Each change should support the story you're trying to tell, whether it's a personal update, a promotional post, or a motivational quote. As you fine-tune your design, look for a feature called Highlight. This tool is incredibly useful when you want to draw attention to specific words or areas of your post. For example, if you're promoting a sale, announcing an event, or emphasizing something important, using a highlight effect helps guide your viewers' eyes exactly where you want them to land. It's a simple touch that instantly boosts the clarity and impact of your design. Once everything looks polished and reflects your style, you're ready to save your work. Canva allows you to download your design in high quality or share it directly to Instagram if your account is connected. And just like that, you've created a stunning Instagram post, quickly, easily, and without needing any complicated design tools. The more you play around with Canva, the more confident you'll become, and you'll start developing a consistent visual style that makes your post instantly recognizable. Thanks for joining me today. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to check out my other Canva and content creation guides. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.